Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest in skincare innovation with real, honest insights. Today, we're diving into something that's been getting a lot of buzz for its potential to elevate your skincare routine, a product that's both practical and a little fun, especially if you're a fan of treating yourself to a spa day at home. We're talking about the Holler & Glow Skin Basics Skincare Accessories 4-piece gift set. This set promises to help reduce puffiness, cleanse your skin, and refresh your look, all with accessories designed to complement your daily skincare routine. But do they deliver? Let's find out. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a review like this one. And if you're loving this video, give it a thumbs up. This set includes 2 reusable under-eye cooling gel masks, a silicone face scrubber, a microfiber makeup remover pad, and a depuffing ice roller. Everything you need to kick your skincare game up a notch. These tools are designed to be used in conjunction with your regular products, so think of them as accessories that elevate your existing routine. Let's take a closer look at each item in the set. The cooling gel masks are perfect for those mornings when you wake up and find your under eyes looking a little puffier than usual. These masks are not just comfortable, but the cooling effect feels soothing and helps depuff the skin. If you suffer from puffiness or dark circles, these masks can become your new best friend. Then we've got the silicone face scrubber, a gentle yet effective way to exfoliate and cleanse your face. The soft bristles are gentle enough for daily use, but still provide enough exfoliation to leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. It's small enough to use in the shower, and it makes my regular cleansing routine feel a little extra special. The reusable microfiber makeup remover pad is an absolute game changer. It's soft, effective, and perfect for removing makeup with just a little water. I love how eco-friendly this product is. It's such a great alternative to disposable wipes. You can wash it and reuse it again and again, making it not only budget-friendly, but environmentally conscious. And finally, the ice roller. This one's a standout for me, especially if you're dealing with puffy skin or tired eyes. The cooling sensation from the ice roller is so refreshing, and it's perfect for reducing puffiness and giving your face a quick boost. The roller can be kept in the fridge for added cooling effects, and the design allows it to glide smoothly across the skin. Now, in terms of real-world usage, these accessories are easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. The cooling masks and ice roller feel particularly great on days when your skin needs a little pick-me-up. The scrubber and makeup remover pad are simple yet effective tools that add a bit of luxury to your daily routine without complicating it. Of course, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While all the items are great for at-home use, the ice roller could be a bit tricky to clean if you're not careful, but it's nothing major. Also, while the cooling masks are effective, they may not completely eliminate dark circles if you're dealing with more persistent skin issues. But for general puffiness, they work wonders. So what about the pros and cons? On the plus side, you get a full set of skincare tools designed to complement your routine. The cooling gel masks, ice roller, and scrubber are especially great for anyone looking to depuff and refresh their skin, and they're all reusable, which is fantastic for both your skin and the environment. The price is also fairly reasonable for a set that provides such variety. On the flip side, while the products work well individually, some might find the ice roller a bit too small for larger areas of the face. And while the scrubber does its job, it's pretty basic. Nothing revolutionary in terms of exfoliating tools. When it comes to value for money, this set offers a solid return on investment if you're looking to expand your skincare routine with accessories that make a difference. The set is well priced for the quality, especially given how versatile and easy to use these tools are. Plus, these items are perfect for anyone looking to pamper themselves without spending a fortune on expensive spa treatments. If you're comparing this set to others on the market, you'll find that many similar products can cost you more for fewer tools. This set is a great option for anyone who wants to try out these skincare tools without breaking the bank. As far as build quality goes, everything feels well made and durable. The silicone scrubber is soft, and the cooling gel masks are gentle on the skin. The ice roller is sturdy, And I love that it's easy to store in the fridge for that extra chill factor. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. Now, if you're someone who likes giving thoughtful gifts, this set makes an ideal present. Whether it's for a birthday, a stocking stuffer, or a little treat for yourself, it's versatile, affordable, and a great way to show someone you care about their skincare routine. It's especially great for teens or young adults looking to start building their skincare routine. Overall, this Holler & Glow Skin Basics skincare accessory set is a solid choice if you're looking for skincare tools that are effective, reusable, and affordable. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys a little extra self-care in their routine. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this product can be found in the comments or description box. If you've tried this set, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts, and if you have any other skincare tools you recommend. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.